Great seeing you here again. My name is Luc de Custer, founder of the Custer Academy, and in this video we're looking at the PMBOK 7th edition, Introduction and Performance Domains. We look at the team performance domain, and we start with the introduction of the domain and the relevant definitions. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. So let's have a look at the team performance domain. The team performance domain is about the activities and the functions associated with the people who are responsible for producing project deliverables that will realize the business outcomes of the project. What is important here? Well, an effective execution will lead to shared ownership. We will get high-performing teams. We will get leadership and other interpersonal skills that will be demonstrated by all the team members. We see a lot of very important elements in the team performance domain. But let's first have a look at the definitions and the team performance domain. First, we have the project manager. This is the person who is assigned by the organization to lead the project team. It's an official assignment by the organization. The project management team, these are the people who are involved in the project management activities. So they're taking into account, or they're working on project management activities. The third definition we have is the project team. These are the people who are actually doing the work, the people who are performing the project work to achieve the project results. So the project manager steers the project management team and the project team. The project management team is doing all the project management activities, while the project team is doing the work of delivering or creating the deliverables. When we look at centralized management and leadership, we have to look at the elements. We have to consider that in management, project management, as we consider it today, all the project team members should practice leadership. The team members are in fact the people who will become later project managers, and they need those leadership skills. When we have a centralized management, the accountability is usually given to the project manager. Only one individual has the accountability of the work. That's when we have a centralized management. When we look at the centralized management, the charter or a similar document provides the authority to the project manager to compose a team to start a project. The charter, some companies may call it differently, but when we look at the PMI, we typically refer to the charter, will in fact officially assign the project manager. The moment that the charter is signed by the sponsor, by the customer, and by the project manager, the project manager can start building a team and start planning the project. When we have a distributed management and leadership, this leads to a different model. The project management itself can be distributed between the different team members, and all team members are responsible for the completion of the project. When we have this case, there will not be an assigned project manager, but someone within the team may be assigned for facilitating and enable communication, collaboration, and engagement of all the team members. The role may shift between the different team members. It doesn't always have to be the same person. It can shift between the team members. So that was the first video related to the team performance domain. We will continue with all the other elements related to the team in the following videos. But before we finish this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Bye bye.